Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung dishwasher blinking fast on normal, causes and reset. Fix 1. Perform a hard power reset. You just have to go to your home circuit breaker panel, locate the switch labeled for your dishwasher and turn it off. Wait exactly 5 minutes to drain any residual power from the control board, turn the breaker back on and check the control panel. Fix 2. Check and reset the door latch. Open the dishwasher door and inspect the latch assembly at the top center. Check for food debris or gunk inside the latch hole and wipe it clean. Push the top rack all the way back to ensure it isn't blocking the door. Close the door firmly until you hear a distinct click. Press and hold the smart button for 3 seconds to clean the system. Fix 3. Check and drain the base pan. Leak sensor fix. You just have to turn off the circuit breaker again for your safety. Unscrew and remove the thick plate panel at the very bottom front of the dishwasher. You just have to look underneath the machine with a flashlight for any standing water in the plastic tray. If the water is present, use a sponge or dry towel to soak up the all moisture. Use a hair dryer on a cool or low settings to thoroughly dry the sensor area. Reinsert the kick plate and then you have to turn on the power back on and run a short test cycle. Thanks for watching.